Look at the moon tonight. It feels like a permanent fixture of our sky, doesn't it? A silent, silver companion. But what you're looking at is a 2,000-mile-wide rock, weighing 73 sextillion tons, hurtling through the void at 2,000 miles per hour. It's held in place by a perfect, razor-thin balance of gravity and inertia. But what if that balance snapped? What if, tonight, the moon stopped its dance and began to fall? I'm not talking about a movie plot. I'm talking about orbital mechanics and the total annihilation of our planet. The truth is, if the moon started falling, it wouldn't just hit us, it would kill Earth long before it touched the surface. Let's simulate the end of the world. Before we break the world, we need to understand what the moon is doing for us right now. You see the tides? That's not just water moving, that's the moon's gravity pulling at the very shape of our oceans. But that's nothing. The moon is Earth's stabilizer. Without it, our planet would wobble like a broken spinning top. Jupiter and the Sun would pull on our axis, causing our tilt to swing wildly. We'd go from frozen poles to scorched equators in thousands of years. The moon is the only reason we have a stable climate. So, let's trigger the disaster. A massive impact or a gravitational anomaly. The moon slows down. It doesn't crash, it spirals inward. At 120,000 miles, the first signs of trouble appear. The moon looks bigger, but the real nightmare starts in the oceans. Imagine tides not of 5 feet, but of 300 feet. A wall of water the size of a skyscraper, rolling over New York, London, and Tokyo twice a day. At this point, the ground beneath your feet stops being solid. The moon's gravity is now literally squeezing and stretching the Earth's crust. The fault lines, San Andreas, the East African Rift, they don't just crack. They shatter. Volcanoes across the globe wake up simultaneously. But then, we hit the point of no return, the Roche limit. 11,000 miles from our surface. This is where gravity tears worlds apart. Imagine looking up and seeing the moon breaking into billions of fragments. Earth just gained its own set of rings. Those billions of rocks start raining down. At first, it looks like the most beautiful meteor shower in history. Then, the real hits start. 100-mile-wide fragments. Each one hits with the energy of billions of nuclear bombs. The atmosphere itself ignites. The surface temperature climbs to 1,000 degrees. The oceans don't just evaporate, they boil away. But here is the ironic part. Earth will survive as a rock. It survived this 4.5 billion years ago when it collided with a protoplanet called Theia. So, next time you look at that silver disk in the night sky, don't just see a rock. See the reason we are here.